What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a PDF file on your Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open your preferred PDF file app on your Android device. There are lots of free options available in the Google Play Store to find and launch PDF viewers and editors. After editing your PDF file, tap the check mark on the top left corner to access the editing mode. When done, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Print from the drop-down menu. This may take a moment to process. Once processed, tap the yellow Save as PDF option. Now, select where you'd like to save the PDF file on your Android device. Pick your preferred folder or leave it in the default Downloads folder. Tap Save at the bottom. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.